Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a topwater lure. First, select the appropriate topwater lure for your fishing conditions, considering factors like water clarity and the fish you're targeting. Next, pair it with a medium-heavy rod, ideally around 7 feet long, which provides excellent casting distance and control. Finally, spool your reel with 20-pound braided line for superior strength and sensitivity, ensuring you feel every subtle strike. Now, let's talk about getting your lure out there. Cast your topwater lure precisely to cover key areas like submerged structures or weed lines. After the lure hits the water, let it rest for about 5 to 10 seconds. This often triggers an initial strike. Then, start your retrieve with a gentle twitch pause motion, mimicking a struggling baitfish. This action creates enticing ripples and splashes, drawing attention from nearby predatory fish. Different lures require different retrieves. For a walk-the-dog style lure, use a rhythmic twitch of the rod tip to make the lure glide side to side across the surface. If you're using a popper, a pop-and-stop technique creates a loud splash and gurgle, attracting fish from a distance. Experiment with your retrieve speed and the duration of your pauses. Sometimes a slow, deliberate action is best, while other times a faster pace is more effective. The moment of truth. When a fish strikes, resist the urge to set the hook immediately. Wait until you feel the weight of the fish or see the lure disappear completely. Then, reel down quickly to take up any slack in your line and set the hook with a firm, sweeping motion of your rod. Keep steady pressure on the fish, using your rod's bend to absorb runs and guide it towards you for a successful landing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.